Hey, everybody! Today I am talking about the Subway Swift service at a Peanut International Gateway. So, it was a good wait. I like it. It was a great asset right at the edge of the wait, and I'm a fully high fire right of the wait.
Here they come. Still think it's a bad call. 3 weeks in a row? No, Krista, I just couldn't do it.
They mentioned Bristol. They mentioned Martinsville. Everyone came late there to win the race. They'll do it again. They said 4 tires is the call for Jimmie Johnson. They're putting on 4. Matt.
Center of the screen, Jeff Gordon's call from Steve Letarte. Right side tires only. Right side tires only for the 24, Dick.
Kyle Busch is in. He really did not want to see that caution, as you might well imagine. But they're going to put 4 tires on the car and try to make a run to the end. Likely green-white checker coming up.
We definitely had a lot of guys go with 2 tires. We just got the word that Steve Letarte, the 24 car. Also, I saw Mark Martin and that 5 group, Alan Gustafson, they go with 2 tires. You see them right there. It looks like the top 7 basically went with 2 tires. Jeff Gordon, Ryan Newman, Matt Kenseth, Mark Martin, Earnhardt, Allmendinger, Kyle Busch. Who's going to win it? Green flag. Like all these people that were standing up down there.
Boy, Jimmie Johnson taking it 3 wide down into turn 1.
He's got to, Larry. He's got to go. Allmendinger has to give. Montoya shoves it off the corner.
But Ryan Newman in the 39 car, he gets the lead off turn 2. White flag when they get back around.
All they got to do is take this white flag. They can make it through this turn, get to the line. 3 wide in turn 3, 1 car way up high. They're gonna make it. And the leader in the white flag is Newman. White flag, nice and smooth. Hello, Newman. 3 wide, deep in the pack. Next flag. That's the race.
Gordon got a pretty decent run getting into turn 1. Didn't get off turn 2 quite as good. Half a lap to go.
Clear by 3. Nice and smooth at 3. Ryan Newman looking for his first checkered flag since the 2008 Daytona 500. Jeff Gordon coming. Gordon mounts a charge. Looks to the inside. Slides up off the corner. Hello, Newman.
It's Newman at the line.
Yes, sir, baby. All right. Ryan Newman burning down the house in Phoenix.
Oh, and you saw Ryan Newman was away. And I'm kind of happy he was. So, and you also saw it was the first time Ryan Newman was hit because he hold a high service in 2008. Well, a world time hit Ryan Newman was away. So that's kind of too. I'm happy he was. Okay. So now I'm gonna talk about where my 2 famous rivals finished. With Curtis, he finished 2nd, and Jimmy Johnson finished 3rd. Well, that wasn't too bad. My 2 times finished 2nd and 3rd. That wasn't too bad. I like that. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the points standings. So, Jimmy Johnson is 200-point leader, and he is 36 points ahead of Matt Kenseth. And with Curtis, he moved up to 6 points, and he is 125 points behind Jimmy Johnson. That is not too bad. Okay, so that was Subway with his Subway. So now next week, it will be a Thursday at a Ticket Motor Speedway. And today I'm wearing Asian Speedway. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next week's video. Bye everyone.